Nisha. How are you doing today?
Very good morning, ma'am. I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. Now, how was your doing?
I'm also doing great, and thank you so much for asking, and thank you so much for joining. And I'm so happy to have you on my platform. And how did you find me?
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity because I have been watching your video since 1 month ago, and then I really want to connect with you, but I don't get much times due to my job and all.
Mhm.
So then I have been watching one video in which you are discussing importance of English with one of the people. Like he belonged from Mumbai, I think. And that
Okay,
conversations I really like a lot.
thank
Then
you
I
so much.
decided to, then I decided to connect with you, and finally today I have connected with you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And I'm also so glad to have this conversation with you. So before diving our conversation, please introduce yourself.
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, ma'am. My name is Nisha Yadav. I'm from Bihar. I have been working as a software engineer for past 3.5 years. If I talk about my educations, I did BTech in computer science engineering. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I'm pretty much interested into athletics sports. But nowadays, I love to interact with people, to learn something new every day. And
Mhm.
simultaneously, I'm working to become a better communicator. That's all about me, ma'am.
That's really great and great to know about. And when did you start to learn this language, like speaking language?
Okay, so speaking language, I have been like working since June.
Okay. Great, great. Like since June, you have been working on this language. So I think you are quite confident today. You are able to express yourself in a better way. So
Uh,
did you have the background in your study of this English subject?
no, ma'am, because I was Hindi medium student. So I started to learn this language since June 2025. But previously, I know English, but I couldn't speak English.
Mm-hmm. Great, great. And so, what type of the practices nowadays you are doing in a daily basis for the improvement of your English?
Nowadays, I'm doing because I'm getting very less time. So I try to whenever I'm doing dinner and lunch, then I used to watch more and more video in English. And every day I learn two words, two phrases, and I always try to use those phrases in my daily life conversation. That kind of the activity I'm doing for practicing English.
And are you converting with people like through these kind of video call day on daily basis, or sometime you skip?
Because I have a very limited times because Monday to Friday I have to due to my job, so I was not, didn't get much times. So in a
Okay.
week, Saturday, Sunday, I'm getting full day. So that time I was I always try to connect with peoples, and but in the
Mhm.
like in the off days, Monday to Friday, so one of the applications I have installed, Episodal. So nowadays I
Okay.
really yeah, I really love that applications because I I have been connecting so many people who is belong from the different country and trying to learn their accent as well as their opinion, culture. So really, I'm enjoying using these applications. You can connect because you really like that applications because there are different people are coming that applications and their
Yes.
accent different. Sometimes I didn't get this. I always ask, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat again? Such a kind of the
Yes.
problem I'm facing with.
Mhm. And it is
I would
also a great app. Like genuine people are there, and you can connect with them. You can practice your English with them and learn from them also as well. Because most of the app like audio app, like in India, like what we say, CV or Ace Fluency, but people are not very genuine. Like, but in this episode, and I found that it is great app to connect with people and enhance your English language. So
right,
people
ma'am.
are very genuine, I must say, on episode and app.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Mhm.
But I would like to ask, could you please tell me a little bit about yourself because I really want to know. I already know through your
Yes, yes.
video. I really want to know in this call.
And I would like to introduce myself. And yes, my name is Swati, and I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I am a homemaker, mother to one kid, And my hobbies are listening to music, watching movie, playing badminton, and reading books. And apart from this, I also like to connect with people through these type of the video call. And I would like to ask you that Nisha, as New Year started and many people made resolution. And did you make any resolution?
Yes,
What?
in in 2026, I made lot of resolutions. I wanted to become like this, and all lot of the goal I have defined and decided. And continuously, I'm working on that, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. So, like which resolution you made? Can you share?
Yeah, sure. Because here I'm a software engineer. So right now I'm
Mm-hmm.
working in a product-based company, but my
Mm-hmm.
dream company is Google. So I want to go Google, Amazon,
Okay.
Microsoft. So these are my
Mm-hmm.
dream companies. So simultaneously for this, I'm learning data structures and algorithms, practicing in English because English is playing very important
Yes.
role in my
And English
profession.
is mandatory when you go to a higher company or a good company. So yes. Mm-hmm. Great, great.
And simultaneously, I'm running my own YouTube channel. So in this channels, I also want to work because I'm learning some kind of how to create a
Mm-hmm.
content, how to become like good YouTuber, for editing a
Mm-hmm.
video, making a good thumbnail. So a lot of the things I'm learning also. So
Mm-hmm. And great. And you also shared your channel of YouTube, and I also searched, and I really liked your content, and you are really doing great. Actually, you should maintain your consistency because if you maintain consistency, and after all, after some time, you will be very great at this niche. Yes, and you are really doing great. I also
uh,
checked some video and comment on that. Maybe you watched or not, I don't know, but I comment on one of your videos.
thank you so much, ma'am. It means a lot, ma'am. It's and I really love your video also, ma'am, because you are doing also a good trade, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to ask, like, you are a Hindi medium student or you are English. How you started your English journey? Could you tell me a little bit? Could you tell me brief about?
Yes, yes, sure. I will sure share with you my journey. Like my whole education from English medium, but I never got that kind of exposure. When I was in school and in college, that time our teacher always spoke with us in Hindi only. And I never also tried to speak in English, but I was very passionate about this language. I was good at reading and understanding the language, and I also even not tried to listen content in English that time. But 1 years back, I tried to listen content in English. Then I found that now I'm able to understand the content, and may I can also able to speak or able to express myself. So I started my journey with YouTube and try to email to different YouTuber and try to maintain consistency. So I also started my journey 1 year back, like speaking skills, because I was good in grammar and writing because that is very totally different from speaking. Whether you are English medium or not, you need practice more and more if you want to be fluent. So my journey of speaking English, 1 year back I started, and I'm trying to maintain the consistency. So this is my journey of speaking
Okay.
English. Hmm. Yes.
So,
And
ma'am,
mhm.
I would like to ask, like, when you started your speaking journey, what kind of challenges you faced when you was at the earliest stage? Because now you are speaking very well, you are confident speaker, but
Mhm.
when you have like at the initial stage, then what kind of
Yes,
challenges
yes.
you currently face?
Yes, because everyone when start their journey, they face like they have a fear in their mind, like fear of judgment, fear of making mistake. And I never ever tried before speaking with someone in English. So I also faced this type of fear, like maybe someone can judge me, maybe I can makes a lot of mistake, maybe someone can fun of me. And this type of issue I faced, and when I try to having this type of conversation through video calls, so I have a kind of fear and nervousness that time. So with consistency, and I also faced my fear, and with consistency and practice every day, I overcome those fear, and over time I feel confident while speaking. So these type of the issue and challenges I faced while going through this journey of speaking English. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So
Yes,
for
I think everyone face these type of challenges.
yes, exactly, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Yes,
So practice make you perfect right now.
yes, and practice makes a man perfect, and it is practicing every day, and over time you feel realize that yes, today I am a good at expressing myself or my ideas or thought in this language. So you maintain consistency. Every day try to listen content or watch content. And one more practice I do daily on daily basis, like shadowing practice. I do shadowing. Are you travel enthusiastic?
Uh, no, ma'am, because sometimes I used to travel because I belong from Bihar that time when I went to the engineering. So I did engineering
Mm,
from Rajasthan. So I had to travel a lot alone. So 24 hour
mm,
taken by a train. So I don't like. But if someone with my friends, then I really love to go. But right now
mm,
I'm not getting much time to travel other places. But in future, definitely I would love to visit.
mm. So, how many states you have visited right now, apart from Rajasthan?
I have visited Delhi and
Okay,
Gurgaon, Noida.
okay, great,
Uttar
great.
Pradesh, I can say, UP.
Mm. So, is there any favorite place that you want to visit first in your bucket list?
Yeah, Bangalore, I would love to visit, and
Mm,
it's in my bucket list. Uh,
mm,
Reasons due to my professions, I would love to go there, and other like there are a lot of the things, and I really want to explore South Indian like food and culture. So I want to
mm.
see.
Okay, great. And if I ask you a hypothetical like questions, if you get a chance to meet any celebrity, who would it be and why?
That is really tough questions because I'm not kind of person who always involved in the movie and serial, but
Mm.
still you give chance.
A
So
celebrity can be, a leader, author, maybe actor, singer, anyone who like motivate you or inspire you in your life. Anyone.
because I got inspired a lot of from APJ Abdul Kalam, but he is not
Mhm.
more.
Yes, and
And
he's also a celebrity. He
it's
was
come to the
also a celebrity. Hmm.
celebration. Then definitely I would love to meet Manya Singh. She is Miss Runner Up 2022.
Mhm.
She's a once runner up in beauty pageant. So I really love
Okay.
to connect with her because
Mhm.
she, people always thinks if they are good, beautiful, then definitely they can participate in a beauty pageant and they can win the crown. But she
Mhm.
proved because she don't have everything. Financial conditions is also not good. Parents'
Mhm.
families are orthodox, and
Mhm.
if you are living in such a kind of family and your mind is like that, so she is not a white people like white girls. She's, her color is also shabla, but he make inspirations for every lady who want to go
Yes.
in a beauty pageant, and her father is
Mhm.
a auto driver. Even
Mhm.
so, she did lot of hard work in their life. She she proved whatever she want to, then she can
Mhm.
achieve all the things. So definitely, I would love to meet Manya Singh. Do you know her?
Maybe I know, but I am not, remembering. I think I saw a video related to this girl, but I am not exactly whether I saw this one or not. But I heard this name. Yes.
Yeah,
So those people, face so many challenges. Apart from those challenges, they also got a good, success in their life, and we always motivated by them, inspired by them, how they tackled, how they overcome those challenges. So yes, these are people, those who are really inspired people, those who wants to do in their life, because there are so many people. They also don't have, a good education system or a background, but they have a very great dream in their life. So they always confuse what they can do in their life, so they can achieve that goal. So yes, definitely these people, inspire us and motivate us. So
right,
great,
right.
great choice. Yes.
if you get a chance to visit any celebrity, then like who would be and why?
Hmm. Okay, I would like to meet Priyanka Chopra because I really admire her so much. And when she speak or any interview or any movie, she also, proof like she's a very good talented actress and she's also a world icon. And I really love because she suc succeed and she also, got so many success in her life because she also didn't have that background of actress or but she achieved a lot in her life and people like get inspiration from her, especially females, because she has a capacity or capability to talk with anyone, because when she speaks you never get bored while listening her, whether she's in interview or in like in any podcast. And I really love to listen her and get motivated by her. And she's a world icon, entrepreneur, businesswoman, and actress, singers, author of the book. So I that's why I really admire her and I want to meet her, and I also wants to take some advice from her, like how did she achieve so much in her life. So what you did differently from other people, so we can also do. So this type of the question I really, want to ask her and meet with her. Yes. Mm.
Yes, ma'am. She is really doing amazing job in India for especially girls. Even I have listened one podcast in which she like telling the people girls should be not a good. She should be a bold, some kind of the
Yes.
message she is
Hmm.
giving. I really inspired a lot because she is doing a lot of the things. I mean, producer, singer, and a lot of the things.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that
So
kind of
many.
the
Hmm. She's
that kind of
multi-talented girl, actually.
and even
Hmm.
that kind of the girls like in India, like they are motivating how millions of girls.
Yes. Yes. As you have wish to travel to different country.
Yeah, I would love to travel US country because I really
Hmm.
like US. I want to go there because their technology is like growing there. A lot of the peoples, a lot of the engineer is like
Hmm.
working in a US. So one of my dream country is US.
Okay, great. Yes, I also visit